Big up this ambulance driver. Are you there? Right there. And they're off. 4 by 100 meters. Intermediate boys. Blistering pace again round the track. Look at it. Look at running. Look at running. Into the first changeover. Into the first changeover now. Let's see how this one will go. 4 by 100 meters. Oh boy. And it's always bad when a batter drop. Anyhow, 4 by 100 meters into the second changeover. Second changeover. 4 by 100 meters. Let's see. Oh boy. Wait, I hear it. I hear it over there. Voila. Look at it. Second changeover. Into the final changeover now. Into the final changeover. Whoa, look at that. It's pace coming around into the finish. Pace coming into the finish. Let's see how this one is going to end up. Can he be challenged? No, he's way out front. Way out front. No challenge. Comfortably won there. Race comfortably won.